So let's talk about pauses. There's two situations where you pause. One is to emphasize a point, so the audience reflects on the last thing that you said. The other is to avoid filler words. So we don't want any filler words when we're speaking because we want a smooth transitional talk. Let's talk about pauses and why pauses are effective during your presentation. So pauses serve two purposes. Number one, to emphasize a point, and number two, to avoid filler words. And we would definitely want to avoid filler words because we sound less professional. So let's talk about the first. If I want to emphasize a point during my presentation, I'm going to simply pause. And once you get good at this, you'll be effective with your pauses. Now, the second one is to obviously avoid those ums and ahs and all those filler words that are in your head. And, you may forget what you're going to say, or you may have a gap in what you're going to say, and the ahs and ums come out. Well, you got to train yourself. If you train yourself to simply pause, that'll fix that. Now, you got to get comfortable with it. It is a little uncomfortable at first, but just get used to pausing. People feel like they have to say something all the time during their presentation, but it's okay to pause. It makes your presentation a lot more succinct. So, once again, two reasons to pause. Number one is to emphasize your point, and number two is avoid the ahs and ums.